This is the elevator at Rutledge Hall Apartments in Shadyside, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This is a Schindler RT elevator, go to ground. I'm pretty sure this elevator was added later. Here at ground, go up to 3. This elevator has some hydraulic pump issues, I think, here at ground, because it keeps re-leveling. Maybe leaking or something. Whoa, that was a random bounce. Here at 3, go back down to 1. 3rd floor. Here's your certificate. That should say McQuarters Realty, but it doesn't. For some reason, the phone box is stuck. Your basic fake wood grind cab. That's good. I'm pretty sure this elevator was added later in the 90s. Here, back at 1. Keeps doing that leveling thing. That's not good. Yeah, this is a Schindler. There it goes, and that's it.